Okay. Hi, I'm Anika. I am back phase 2, level 2, data validation. On your registration or login form, attempt to submit with empty field. Does your JavaScript alert or intercept the submission? I would say yes. On the on the login form, my validation is intercepting the form submission and showing error message. So my answer is yes. So moving right along to 9, enter an invalid data format. So I'll be going to my registration page. Going to enter Tyler. Tyler. First name Scott. Password Tyler Iler. Hashtag 2901. Email Tyler Scott 29. I'm leaving out the at yahoo.com and phone number 1868 781 2294. Right, I'm just going to choose an image. Just say that. Open, travel. Right? So they say here, how does your JavaScript regular expression identify this specific error? So as you can see, it's telling you please include an at in the email address. So the JavaScript regular expression checks whether the email enter matches the correct email format. If the format is incorrect, such as missing at or .com, the validation displays an error message and prevents the form from submitting. And this is it here. So moving right along, if client side script are bypassed, how does your PHP script handles secondary validation on the server? If the client-side validation is bypassed, my PHP checks the data again on the server and prevents invalid or empty information from being submitted to the database. And that's my answer for 10. After a server-side error occurs, Can you demonstrate that your form is sticky? By retaining valid data you previously entered. So, you see, when I submit, when I had select submit and the error message come up and you see this information are still there. This is the answer to the to number 11. So you see just now when I'm saying it again, when I left all the at, we get a error message. I left all the at, submit, we get a error message. And you see here still have his information. So here what happened after submitting the form keep the form keep Tyler pertinent information that was already entered. So 12, what would the biggest challenge you face when building regular expression, and what would you have changed to make your validation logic more user-friendly? Well, the biggest challenge was creating regular expressions that correctly check user input. To make the validation more user-friendly, I would use clearer error messages so user can better understand their mistakes. And this is the end of level 2. So take care and bye for now.